napansin ko very professional yung since nag-start nag-meet tayo, kasi meron siyang meeting, meron siya lahat ng needed namin na napag-usapan. Kung ano man yung naging usapan natin, yun din yung kinalabasan ng pagkatapos ng bahay. So kahit wala siyang bantay or walang nakatingin sa gumagawa, is very professional yung Quintana. For me, yes. From the first, nakakatakot kasi may mga ibang construction na binigyan nila ng design, then yung pagkakalabas is different. But sa Quintana, kung ano man yung naging design, yun din yung naging labas ng bahay. Kumbaga, hindi siya tinipid na materyales. Then, talagang very professional yung mga nakakausap namin dito. Actually, umpisa pa lang, yung bahay na to is from the scratch. Tapos nagulat na lang ako nung pinalabasan, naging ganito na. Yung ina-expect ko, more than pa yung nangyari. Yes, I will recommend it to my friends, and if I build another house, I will recommend the Quintana. Because the first professionality, yung mga staff, yung sila Quintana, yung architect, then hindi sila basta-basta na nagsasabi lang na ganito, ganyan. Laging may set ng meeting, laging may set up. Tapos always contacted to us if okay na ba yung materials, okay na ba lahat, na okay na ba yung ganito. Kumbaga, always contact to us, then nag-update sila kung merong progress yung bahay, ganito na pa yung bahay, nag-update sila time to time kung meron talaga na progress. Kaya i-recommend ako talaga yung Quintana. Yung pag-update, always on time. Then, kung ano man yung binigay yung napag-usapan namin since first we met, hindi sila nabago. Kumbaga, one word is enough yung sa project na to. Kumbaga, hindi maraming sinasabi, kundi laging yung kung ano yung napag-usapan, laging ganun yung outcome na lumalabas. Kaya very recommended ko. And then, thank you so much sa pag-build ng bahay.
Thank you so much. I speak little Arabic for you. Maybe some people Arabic you see the video. أولا شكرا كثير لهذه الشباب، هذه الشركة شباب مصداقية في التعامل، سرعة الإنجاز، وهذا شيء يحمدوا عليه ويشكروا عليه. وصراحة يعني التعامل معهم مريح جدا، أسعار مناسبة. And thank you so much for all the company for the belief what you speak and the good price, not same outside, and fast for the fix the house. Thank you so much for all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.